Hmm. As you learned from the lectures video that C++ was developed from C is because of the object-oriented feature in C++. Struct has been changed in C++ to the classes. In this example, I create a class that deals with the information of the patients. Here, we need to know that their name, which is a string, their height, which is an int, and their weight, which is a double type. With this class, we created an object, and our object will be our patients. They are assigned with the values. Um, we can make a class inside our main function, main CPP, but we know we can do that. Classes are created in a separate file like info.cpp and info.h. Info.h is included inside info.cpp, and it is included inside main.cpp. That means all the information that is inside info.h can be accessed by info.cpp and main.cpp. This in info.h, this is where our main class information will go. Here, if you want to print some information, we had used uh, uh, right here accessor function. This is we use this one to print out the information uh, while we compile the program. Let's see and run the program. Let's I make the make file according to the CPP. We have main.o, info.o. As shown in the lecture videos, I just follow the same instruction to create the make file. Let's try to run the make file. Here, the make file successfully runs. Try to compile the program. Okay, enter your name. Let me type my name. Enter your height in inches. Should be 70. Let me enter my weight. Should be 50. So yeah, we got output like patient's name, my name, patient name Amrit, patient height 70, and patient's weight 50. Here in the info.cpp we use the default constructor. Info.h here in info.h we use the info this is the default constructor. Default constructor set the member variable to their null states. Basically, if it's a string, it will be an empty string. If it's numeric, we set it equals to 0. We put a name of the class info and the little parenthesis in a semicolon, which is our default constructor. So this is our default constructor. This is our overload constructor, and this is our destructor. The xxr function basically returns the name, height, and weight of the patient respectively. Yeah, this is a simple program I try to create using the classes knowledge from the lecture.